In this video I'm gonna show you how to go from this to something like this. A cleaner, more functional knife. Es el grueso. So hasta luego. Ready to be used. There's rust everywhere. And it's bent at the tip. What you'll need is some sandpaper. This is a 500 grit. Take a small piece, get it wet with water, and you start sanding off all that rust. You can also give it a good scrub with a steel wiry type of brush to get into all those, deep places. So you can go like this. Okay, now that I'm finished with the sanding and using the wire brush, surprisingly the wire brush worked much better. I just finished it up polishing with the sandpaper, but now that it's dry and polished, before sharpening I'm gonna oil the knife in order to prevent rust from forming again. So I'm just using some sort of WD-40 knockoff. You can use any type of oil or grease of your preference. So grease the joints, just grease it, oil it really well. So the knife is oiled and ready for sharpening. I'm going to be using a coarse stone first. This is the coarse side because this is really damaged. To make a bevel again, ¿dónde? Okay, now I'm gonna switch to the finer side. Some more water. Okay, now I'm gonna use a finer stone. This one here. This is my saw pocket sharpener and fire steel. Highly recommend this gadget here. I'll leave a link below the video where you can find this. So this is a diamond sharpener. It doesn't need any water. Now, the ceramic part. This is the finest. It's gonna keep the edge sharp for longer.
Sí.
Muchas gracias. Hasta luego.
Hasta luego.
Luego para pasar todo esto a aquí en la computadora al WhatsApp.
A tu WhatsApp. Podrías mandártelo por mail, luego en tu mail abrirlo en tu teléfono, copiar y pegar en WhatsApp. So yeah, worked really good. Razor sharp. Better looking, more functional knife. A cleaner, more functional knife. You see how most of the rust came off? Now I sharpened it, I cleaned it, I oiled it, and I sharpened it. Now it's razor sharp, ready to be used.